Trevor Burns. I'm the Technical Production and Warehouse Manager here at PL Light Systems.
My name is Victor Wiens. I am the Senior Technical Lead here at PL Light Systems. I was brought onto the company in the fall of 2021 and have enjoyed what I've learned so far.
So we work together to form the technical team here at PL. And what we do with that is we're responsible for all the things related to both the day-to-day manufacturing and the production of the HPS and the LED luminaires here in Wiens, but also customer support, which includes telephone conversations with customers when they have questions or they need a bit of assistance of any kind, support internally through the customer service group, which includes things such as RMAs, and then also any product development, product improvements, product enhancements, changes along the way that happen related to both the LED and the HPS product.
Also from time to time, working with sales teams, helping them out with light plans or any other technical questions they might encounter. For myself, what I experience the most is one of the biggest challenges is in production. If something happens that hinders or stops production, like a machine going down or something needing to be changed over, it can become challenging and stressful to get things resolved as quickly as possible, to get production up and running as quickly as possible and back into the flow that they should be. So in those times, it can be a stressful environment, but challenging and fun in its own twisted kind of way.
So one of the things that we find is that for those that are not familiar with the horticultural space, the challenges are different. The environment can be pretty warm. It can be occasionally caustic to electronics, and somewhat rather unhospitable to make these luminaires perform. And from the outside looking in, it would seem very straightforward. You provide the power, the light turns on, it gives you the PPF that you need, and it's a very straightforward thing. When in reality, it's a business and the application of this technology that is very unique in the horticultural space. And anyone who hasn't spent time here or certainly in the field would be unaware of many of the subtle yet important challenges that happen specific to horticulture. It's a unique environment, and it's not something that other spaces find themselves having to deal with. So like every other person in every other country on the planet, we are just now coming out of the COVID pandemic, and it certainly had an effect on certainly not what we do, but maybe some of the ways that we did things. When it was at its worst, we had different rotations of people, and we had to adapt to the manufacturing and keeping distancing and all these sorts of things. But the outcome from that, now that we're kind of seeing the end of things in that regard, is that we have a bunch of new ways to communicate. People are way more comfortable on Teams and video calls and using some of that technology that's available to us to communicate with each other and also with customers. A lot of times they will pick up their cell phone and say, okay, we're going to FaceTime or Zoom or what have you, and say, here's the problem I see in the field. Can you help me with this? And we're able to do that, right over your favorite phone platform. So,
especially in new developments or new startups, kind of doing the research ahead of time as far as knowing what your power requirements will be for your system, any power restrictions that might be in your municipalities, using trade professionals, electricians, us, to answer any questions ahead of time, and making sure that moving into a system, everything is set up and ready for final.
We have a number of resources available to support our customers as well as others inside the company for how to install your luminaires properly and how to place them, locate them, utilize them for best life as well. It all starts with the light plan that the sales team or the technical team can help our customers with, so they get the right levels they need for the type of growth of crop that they're looking for. Also, all of our products have a QR code on them, so you can just take your favorite phone platform and scan the QR code takes you right to our website and all of our resources, which includes installation manuals, troubleshooting tips, technical specifications of all of our products are all listed there as well. So if ever you do have questions about the products, you can always go to our website, pllight.com, and you'll find all the resources that you need for whatever you might be looking for. And of course, if you can't find what you're looking for, we're just a phone call away.